Nobody has say. I don't pay me too.
The we are say yeah prayer nyina pomde hu hia che bibia.
Correct.
Umesi wo sika dan ma na wonya pomde a je say enwete enhia. Enti no say no future life na yedi ho adanse a kira wo say bra bedi bi ne bo. It's a future life a natural food supplement. Ebo nipadua no. Nipadua ni hia balanced diet. Na da bia meka say ade a wodua efifi bia na nkwa wom. Enti sis and nas na dey future life say dinamo na ade ba ko da bia meka ho asem say nipa edua nyina na po bam unyini no na nioma bebre fiu nipadua no enti wudi future life na ekọ hye ma
ya wo bi wa homa no so awa ko future life ahye ye okoye no eniema koye hello 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 hello
future life for me say e wa azoye ya amra ya say ho
o jina homa no so dem so o tie ready
future life e ya aduane a wudi ebo nipadua no empne ema ya rent na woni padua no mu de e ha woni padua bi asiesie no efi wuti so ekosi una ase bra future life ya share ho se beboa mo fi se ene kotodwe ya re ne sisi ya re me se wunyina na chim na wa poso ni nyina na erewe se wudi repair food na eboa nkasa timi ma ogina so wunyina afi na wontinim na eyeden afi wontime nkotokora ene ese ya befo sabidi eja na wo so no anka enya no na wanka nipa bebre ntimi ntina so
na ndia no kra
se koto no ayeden se wuntini no eyeden eti wo ba ya so e ho aye ma nuane e bebo nipadua na wunyi se de ma ne future life o dache ene e bo ho ban da bia meka se de aye obi na ne kire bebetima aye ntina ho nyare anso no be the future life aduane no ne bo nye den se o sha ase edi ni na e 50 cedis udi no na eboa wunyi ko no na eboa wo nipadua no na se wo tena na ayare che de wo ba bobo ka bebre ti bra ya so e ho ne nkyerɛ na sa de ne yewa wuntini ne yeden ne fa na kokom ne so sisi na wo ba ye yewa exercise bi exercise no ntina fie na nsoma obi ye oti wo ho a eboa saa ne omani nyina e wonuane wo so eboa saa ne omani nyina etintina onyare ansa na future life oba ya so ye ho oda achi na ebo ho ba chi onuane obedi e bebo ne de mo ye exercise ekwa na so wo future life box no kra na eno kra ya dance die o si ni person 30 minutes exercise a day and anum so 8 glasses a day eti ye ho ne de wo ba ye kire kwan abefa so a wo meka dem se de nipa bebra ka dem no wo obi a no wachim no wachia no yese na wo hwe na bi betima ye wo ene wo na do so bra Yankopon to ne sanfre ni nyina ye nuane a ye ni ni ye nti anase nuane e mo nipadua no fi se liver kidney ne heart ne kuta nipadua no ne ma ko mu ni nyina anye veins ni nyina sisi watreat ni nyina sisi to ye de obenya pressure nuane na ye di ne moa oba ye hwa ye de kyerehyew na oba ye be ma to of apostles ni nyina ye ehahama ya twotwa udi ebo nipadua no ti be catch us eje na kototo no wa blend na de drink na wanom ene wo pia ye won me say Yankopon frɛ obi a yankasa na eku ye ho ti mo mienhwe kwan ye fa so didi ye fi se ehu hi yankasa Bible o say yemfa ni jenso awurade yankasa so ye ni nye se wo ni di ya me say obeyare nti wudi no bisa wo ho say aduan na me di na menya free man sa na madi se wonya hwe a me ni aduan na ka no msuo pa bebre mom chen say obedi aduane a emwo fi se ni padua na obi ayefu ti so ono ankasa kotru mu a obetimi di be say 5 obeyare obenya pressure ena nwumra di die bebre no so emwo ni padua na oda ese o system ni nyina ada efi se saka si ho na sa wokoda wadum gya no ade bibie ne ho betima ye adwuma bi ade na wo de eda bia wo da na ne o ma ye adwuma wo ni padua num ti anadwuma hu se binum gina nuane ho no o mo toto sa na makoma me se yare na krofo to mo hu se ene diabetes abekan abra ba ho pressure abekan ho ene okwa yi a asemo bi aka na se mo amuda duro so titene na ntisa de ne ba sa first na no di abuada 4 days so na o sa nya wo mo ene we se me bo ano o sa me catch say cancer di ekro bia e cancer ti se che wo ho a e do how bebro etu ba ya so ye ho a e wonuane a ebo nipadua no masa ne o ma no be se future life prima ya rent na nipadua no tintina ho enyare ansa no ba e ya aduane wudi a wo me no na ebo nipadua no de esa wo nipadua no bia na ekosisi ani mu ama enti o sofull alignment ye adwuma free juada ekosi memene da ye hyase no nwotwe ne apon no nsia me sese okotodwo yo ya na nipa bebra akadem hu o ma obuwa no nwu yo no akadem na adwuma kokoro ntimi nko ne kotodwe ne sisi Onanti akase ni sika senso pe na ahyase atwitwi me say eye obia you can't deceive nature wo nyini dia ebeba because me call Canada first na me ba panyin ho no me duro ne mo atoto nyina ma what do stage you say there wapo no so no bewewe supplement bi atoto we na so hia woni say me say free ho call US me ba doctor ba ko no say mami we na be hia o ba ha no kyerehire bia ni hanti no say agyejan ho saa ne nenam eti wo be hu an say dako wo say me haje me ke because na sika say no so eti me wo bi ti sepane me say ba say be twitwi saa ma rough ni nyina say afa na so na kokom tim na afa ato aso saa na so sisi etimi ma ona na honhono ona na ye tense afa ntimi nya adwa na ma stroke gishi ni pa bebre na ya no mu hu no wunti no musisi a den pa me se obi antena ma saa de ne nto no ebra future life fo nyankopon de abeso man mu se mabo obi bi nti wo ba wa kiro nua na beja edi ene de wuni nyina nti bra so ye so full alignment your numbers ni 0246 01 another 01 50 0246 01 another 01 50 onuane so ya to apeti o member be sa o mada na o yare kese abrai ho ne enche onuane abeja edi ene de wunya edi ebi wo mampon ebi wo sunwane ebi wo kononwo ebi wo nkran ya to apeti o man mu ba bia me say wo diabetes e wo de wudi wo pressure wo de wudi enti nkojina nkasa we na boa madam fu enti misumi kotobi bra ne nchiro nuane abeja edi bia ni pakro no ba o chirechire nuane obeja edi ene vegetables bi obenom ene dru sa situation no enti wo so nkoka say anase say na me ba na say man kan infections so asema na e ha adwen infections ya de a eku o man just be infections be 25 na wo man mu enti bisa ho se ebe de na saa de nakọ amani pa bebre enya yare o menstruate e ma ontime nyem se be mema ne bebre aye mre o mpam ni nyina bacteria no efru ko gland mu pe bie pe cancer de no ho bejim enti se ho nsori amesro nko toto aduro na enom e bacteria no e na eye saa de o ba e ho aye be boa o be kan wasem hye ne emwa entina ho e ma yare mfa no mbra future life o ho wo dachi wo hia e dachi ma nipa bebre akadam nipa bebre yare e se dachi ne ye anigye enso se obia yare maha mumra ase ho yenua no wudi a ebo nipadua free wutinyu so kosi una ase ebie wadwurum so empema yare entina nipadua no future life is a silver duro dibi wudi a wo mene na esa abo nipadua no dina nopa ne anwumra wi na wadu normal food efisa wokoda ni se aduane eto yam mumianum suo bebre yenye exercise na yansiri bebre efisa na beboa se ye kase di policies na chidi a da bia akoma bete hwabra boy ye be your own doctor ne kire se wan kasa wudidi ye di aduane a vitamins wom wo hwe enuane na selenium moduke ni nyina bi wo se enuane natural food supplement into obia yo so full alignment so for like main office no ho ne wo o ma ho da bre ho ye nchiro kwan be for so numbers ni bi 0242 87 80 90 0242 87 80 90 ba ko say 0246 01 another 01 50 0246 01 another 01 50 future life aduane udi a wo me no na ebo ho ban free nyare wa ho ebo ni paduane timi o giregira so ye etimi ma odwini ye obu okura o 30 years a o kan asema na ne refi no future life imprensa bra so ye ho ne ebo edi nyankopɔ ogya mu nyina
ofi oli ofi on mine also brother didn't they say all the same same oli ofi same kone yeah wo now what to say adwumako no eye tiawa yes adwumako no ehye esen yes active point yebema wo CPS ta yes ntokoro no nyina da betua kaka no beko o se asen kaka no o se no pese ye fita yes abrante wo ha no mo o be kirem ma yenti ano pe
matinana medase pa na senior de bia tutu ye ho fo na yesua ho ade no se osura na pa be twitwi wo sena nwumre nso obetitwi no enye ade etweto a obeye na de wie bia nso abamode fe nso ohoro wanum na de aka kamuru nyina emfa akatama no nsa no enko yi nsani fi se aduane mu ne kura no di ye wa amen a enye sa nketenkete na be ma wa amen ntimi se fi nso ohoro ni nyina na enyi yimra se de be ya enhyehyehye wosin emmo boa no emma enkoye na wosen so eno kura san sisi osimuntu kru no na eden kambone eba wonum na bomodin so say a day no one to me crab floss wo sinum once flossing no say wo the dental floss ahoma bi ana plastic bi na de ba bi no enkofa dua bi enkofa ba bi enkofa prae bi o kras ne de prae bonze prae no twere ho a na wakobu na wo de ayi simunye na moja prabo mesre sa de ni nyina atwam eno no mekwan be da ho se wo se no emoja bi firi mu aba na yare be hya se ekomu na wo modern so say enuane a udi no wo se vegetables ne carbohydrates no endorse na wonum nsu so more so de be ya wonum entasu no enwe emu na nya dry because se wonum entasu no ya dry a mekwan be da ho so bitimi nya enum na se esen no kratimi de enkambone de ba wonum na be ma na so ayi ntinti a wo dente so no na ya ntinti a wo dente so no se wo ha bi hya se ba wotimi ahu asia no kwan de ama na cleaning nso no anya bi kra 6 months bia no obetimi akọ na akọ clean na etimi aboa ama wonum no ahoden no asipi eyiye pa ne so abọ ho ban se obenya esen anase enum yare no ahodo bibre no esa yare ndo so ye wo esen fenfem ho ye periodontal disease ho ye gingivitis ho ye cavity na dental caries ho ye oral cancer ho ye halitosis ho ene na ahodo bibre be se o ma wani ekọ wonum ene wosono ho a ebeboa abọ wosono ho ban afisa yare we say enyina ho be se woni dentist so between the active point and tackling your dental home your branch your santa say dinyame ebe ultimate radio no oboase your dunko junction na konka road ho na ma kwan so your branch back ho Accra Jolu Presby junction no so your branch back ho ho no ka so Crispo City ebe farm depot na sunya o ya brosa na mekoko bodra about no na sehwidwuna se na de Sheffield station no so your branch ho no mo ye bi adwada kosi memre da no ba na wo twe kosi anwumre no nsia oba wonum ene wo se ha obi ya de bedi ho dwuma na ye de amount and ebedi nkomo afa risk factors of oral and gum disease and nema emekwan be da ye ho si benya enum na se esen yare no ye dada brabo ya na se dada akone abe yentimi enyi adidi emfrim yentimi nyi ye nema ye emfrim nema bi ho no ye ya emekwan be da ye ho si benya how elbre one omo a eni wo monum ene wo mosin eni no omo at risk pa say ombenya enuma na say esenare na hodo no bebre no ebibi ho obe miensa enan wo ne so ono kuro ya ne sefemfem no ono kuro ya emoja efri ne simba ono kuro ya tokuro eda ne sim ono kuro ya sabia no nka esan wo ho no nipa ba akopɛ no how we say nyina wo so a wo say omo ani nko onum ene wo sen eni die ehu yie pa ene omo so a omo smoke na say omo every tobacco ene tawane ne ho niema no ene so mekwan beda ho so benya enuma na se esen yare no ahodo no ebi ena omo no so a se bo mu gina awiam eye enuma bebre no obi ho no obi gina awiam aton ade the whole day na wagya ne ti so saa eno no etimi ma awia na ebo na enuane enunu ebi afrim no eno se awia no ebo tin so bebre mekwan tim beda ho so betimi anya enuma na se esen yare no ebi ntime se oya afa ade kata wutina so benya eche ni bia na ade ahye na abo ho ban ena omo so a omo ewo yare bi te se diabetes no ene mojabro so no so omo so no omo ye se omitimi nya enuma na se esen yare no ebi eno ibi won mu a eninu na onom no eno timi mekwan beda no se obitimi nya yare bi ana se bi aduane bi a odi no so no timi mekwan beda so benya yare no ebi meseme nka se wo diabetes na se wo mojabro so a edu na wonom no jam pacho dem yen na meka na emum wonom wadru sa wo ho yare na wo hwe so se ensan bi a hye se eba wonumu a na otu ho na moko dentist so na sa wo ha na eba no wotimi asia no kwan de ama na ye no ye bibi no so aye no etimi ema ye taste ye num taste no e change bi so timi ema ye se color no e change ya no nyina bi so etimi ma efin hya se ebededa ye se so men kan se jadu na on na emum gusu no madu no na emum de ensan bi eba wonum no ko dentist on mo a obeboa na wahwe saade nyina afro no bi so etima ye ntasu no mu eye dry sentasu no a emu eye dry no so etima kwan beda so benya yare esen anase enum yare ni bi guso no mu aduro na mu ko dentist on mo obeche onia ma obeya obetimi nya artificial saliva na wetimi aye how na ebe beba no nyina efe ho no no mu nsuo entententen mo ani nyina ebekọ ma na nye ntintia wo dente so no simple se wonte se wo how bia mpo wo no mu a ko dente so na onhwe bi ho no mu a na eba na unhu na se unya ho mpopoye bia na mo nso yusu brush no den me se omo enya kra brush no den ya na emwa wo se no kra na be yusu paste fried e wo mu so dentist no recommend say or how be e wo no to use this type of paste yusu paste fried e wo mu na emwa na ma force no yusu ma force akọ enimu na intimi emwa na wonum no enna ho na intimi mwa ema wo sena ho den no intimi nina because ma force ni paste na use no an sign ebo yes no eho eban na sign ejina ni ye pa di so wo esen ana say enum how bia na entna oto so ko dentist so no na onhwe na wo mu no nyisa o how no info ni dentist so na fa active point dental clinic eya wo dental home na bra na say feeling na ebe ya ma say bia o senso butuku da osimu se bia carbone ena wo num se bia oseno ena etu na pese ye nsima wo se bia osena keka na pese ndi hunduma se e bia ekwan na deda osena se ena efi na hye osima carbone ena ewo wo num a wo se ene wo num ha bia ekrobi ena etu wo num a eche a enkoda me sebra na yenhwe na yentu saa o ha no ase ema ne san cheche kwa befa so obedi wo num ene wo sin eni na etim aboa wo yi ba kuma se santa se de nyame eme ultimate
okay
FM Accra Jolu Presby Junction Kaswa Crispo City ebe farm depo no sunya o ya brosa na ebe koko bodran about no se hwuduna se na de chef lane station e na oboase na ma kwan ne so dunkwa junction ho no ya branch no e wo ho obetimi afre number 0554
0554
571
779
0554 571 779 Mr. Ukra Cosmopolitan Health Insurance abra Ukra Gab Medical Insurance and so abra and Ukra Ace Medical Insurance so oba the insurance no cover na behwe na ye di eho adwuma ye ne other private insurance bi so 18 komosisi ye do mu nyina ho na ya boa na wonum ene wo se e ha obia na yetimi atu ase ama ne asan kyerɛkyerɛw de wo bɛyɛ na ohaw no obisi ano ekwan pa
0554 571 779 just give us a call. Active Point Dental Clinic, the place to be. Thank you.
Thank you.
na kumba so the course never na pike so the Eddie board we shape just so bia the movement e kabo e ma ne yemu a so bia so hia obi hu hia nche obi why Kevin Duma today am on temene Duma ko 2 weeks ni omo be twa ma ka kese bi ni ka bi atwa fa so twi pass wa mbeye anope traffic basa just a traffic light ɛdeɛ na asia Kumase Metropolitan Assembly traffic unit for etimi hu say sa traffic light no a major traffic light ebuama traffic etimi akoye already no kra na eso no mpokra traffic ewo ho na obi abeso oko eti anopei mo amowo Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly amona mo hwe traffic no so say urban roads for so na mo hwe so a ye ka kire mo animu ya mo ko so no ne ya yewra gambra me chia no pem say na wo ha enra edi nkomo bebre na napoku ajibai oyini ba na napoku ajibai ijini atapoku na wo so wo ha no mo menim say e maso ya but the minister say obi bia traffic light nsa offer na ni kire kro ayi Abrepo Junction say sia na ne ekoso no ka bi betwia for obi so obi wu sesia na accident kese bi si on ba the so. Why do we wait to have a knee-jerk reaction to issues? Mr. Munidi Emuna Mesre. A penny for a more chrome animal. Abrepo Angel FM and him honomoa. Traffic light no. And do me 2 weeks. Ahomachikra na ya nehu. Ufri bantume ba. Cars no who the free saber. The afro no who the oko. Moba chaya maybe oye na siansa. Ye penny fuei. Masa the any movement here traffic lights and no movement of form. E ko 2 weeks you movement of form. Minima dia say ya di entimi nye. Ana kania no just yekra. Yesremo a. When you kolebu lift na. Kwabena binta akando akokonto kwa ansani aso. Obi bia oye in charge of traffic. This traffic light. Abrepo Junction. And on my chabad. Now what do you try the sasso? We are so the answer I don't American. A doom. Traffic lights, no traffic, no. A quack with this interest while look at this. Now, me call the media, they so they say. Oh, yeah, I'll be yes, I'll be person if I want a pine. Cars when you know pimp police for Subeka Abe Bakema cancer. And I don't pay a cobo 8:15. Can you imagine? Man hours are ni person or Kakobe Diama San or Marco Juma. Young calculating Yama when you know we are always losing.
You don't have time for life.
Look at it.
Follow
Mr. Wow, we in charge no corner quiet. Now we'll soon say to Yaka. I'm on Yadia much then. Dr. Kwaba. Now, Pom to say, yet all body as Sisa no pay or do other kind, sir. And then he found the idea each day. Nah,
Minfa, and I said about the Amponafe, Minfa, and Chasson come out on the phone with you for. Last week, I can't suffer central level system.
Yeah.
And I didn't see, I do know. You can't, your ma. It's in Kofa Habre, Sai, central level system. No. And she was born in the so as son and man, I have and I went to a South Monska.
Okay.
I very interesting, sir. The Padre no my Hano
young honey pine
Hadrian.
Or Hadrian, how?
Yes. And in Prepino, Anna and the Panana how on one Hadrian. It'll be and I behind Hadrian. Hannah. And Ramona wanted to say, our relationship so bad be my system. How I did to upper here. Yadiana, I was also one. Was an entire
I said Parkinson disease,
yes.
And I saw Buha Nani who so Nani T was so stroke.
Entire ma.
A mema.
The brave chema.
Now it's a man have imagining more.
Yes. But don't say. You know, I for in the
who can you see? We are say massa. But so you are it is scientifically proven.
Yes.
I don't remember wuntem a chama. A Jumadin quantity. There be.
No, you bear dalting to Sadia.
Okay.
Who can crave enough for no good one. Never one of my own fine.
And fine, no.
Hamster was a would say, do now. Ade Akye Abia no.
Your friend killing me softly.
Aha.
Killing me softly.
So the boy no cry. Aha. Number is 0277
0277 001234.
0277
0277 001234.
Okay. No, I'm one labs. We call one over here now. Opposite of free WhatsApp call and our video. That's what the BB send here. And also 0241 36 73 49 0241
36
73 49. My yadri no. And the control be our including a na bema no babeda. Yes, and the controls animal now. Say wakala. Free time I want up to 25 years now. Only at 25 years, I do not develop fully. Sajono, I've been every year, say a developer every year. It's about 25 years. I was a Halamano, Obina 18 years, crowd, your fancy when you once with me to about what you are inside of the mano, your fan say, I do know, I work you when you. But ideally, I do not attain maturity at 25 years.
Unya 25
and son I do know. Yes, attain full maturity. This will be a collar. Now you're born a tree. Oh, and you're by body trim, and the inside joint go to Bibia a boa quality etino. You're retarded. I don't go for no.
Tikoto a chakwala,
you're dangerous.
Akola hope ya de penny chankoto.
But you told na o baby no what to say.
Na kola na ni so brino. Adwene no ha.
Yes, obi was say na ni so paramatis.
Aye.
What we can say?
Obi timi ni obi no ahead no.
You want to be one man. What we tell bonoto no man no. Me can say adwene no. And so be one for the CSF.
Yes.
Sanso no.
Any crowd adwene hange no. Tie be tough for ma.
Good was I in Panadino. The more abufu what they Bobby Cotono. Sacrinium na a 8 bones no, baby a big kakra. Sansuno or Rana Lucy. And
chance will be accident, it will be Triboma. Have you beat me, Bobby, be my fate. In Fiebe, Tibe Hanasa. Also crying at Mama about that.
You want to Babby the Bonti.
About political
and when Kalaka what you Bontina, I do not say that I said, I feel the that affect everything. What is growth? So the or below 25 years, I do not live up in here. She said, the more I born could to ye,
Charlie, dear Nano. Now, baby, or has it will be see any Nensano so then nursing, you know. Dia
or no.
How do you shakwala di koto?
Would you tell to see the cow? Umlana Akrantina, Abomusana Akranatin.
Officer will bono.
Yes, opera. Adriano, Bahadriano. You who you say, you must was in. You must one.
Your mama's one.
Frontal lobno. I do my mind super one. And then I met to say, come there.
Aha,
I am Maswa. Come.
And until I do me come to our hut me ultimate pains for her.
Yes, Sandikum Oba, if you're Maswa.
When you come out,
honey free. You be a planner, so take a chance. I don't know who you are planning at the after solution, German or no, how any control. So, I did be at say Bema, a sex organ, honey control. Yes.
No, it says, Mama Swana at me. Say, we you, man, it just say, Juma
Casena, we know
Caseno,
and that will be the I can go on.
It will be at the Mama Son TV visit
to frontal lobuno, a year you make a see, but I'm preparing also the track to the bar. Out of
boxers and talk about baby.
To Shade, as a Bema. Sir, you have seen again a honor. The friend of Obito frontal cortex.
Obito there.
Frontal cortex. Sir, portion. Bema dear switch about the 2.5 times. Not 2.5 times.
Bema dear switch
about.
Okay.
See you about the 2. You about the 2. Not just switch about the 2.5 times.
Okay.
And I said 2.5 times.
And I see a gene.
Very good. At the same time, I don't know Bema. In as much as I might do a sex chairman. Sadio Lintin Mama, a pep sexy switch man.
2.5 no?
Yes.
And am I a person very guess no more?
Yes, I tell man. The Oba no be ma sia oba enyati kan mo che be ma.
I know there. And so we am so also one another team
ah ba we are such like ya.
Not enter.
Obi se dem ka sa de na wo no. Enti no ma ya adwe no in terms of sex no ya adwe mo so mo che ma. Enti be one na me hu oba na ne kwado no.
On any bonus so I told na bia na ne be ma pija.
Yes. Oba the end is by touch. So on sound so the move the body will never respond. So oba hu be ma na kakra bi. Ma ya de na so sa de we no sunti no. Atam bia no ye ni be hu no adwe e fa fast. Na afi.
Sa bani no.
Na imagine say how na dia plan dey bi bia no. Se be ma no be che na hu sana na. Ba bia de dwene no. Body no release hormones ma me cover hono no.
Whoa.
Nti satem no adwene no I said enya adwuma no. Nti ma tu tiam so bi muta na hu se be tiam. Nti
ebi su nyina.
But the normal way no kasa ntiti no nya dabi ha mo se obunu pa o. So ma henti hey. O ma sofo. O ma represent a big person.
I mean how do
you ha big more happen.
Na I go say me the doctor Philly. Na fe ko dru baby na me kika
what you control that the another. Because of say baby, how did you know?
I do know.
Shut it down.
I shut it down.
Yes.
Homos no shut it down. That what Jimmy?
Yes. And then I say we are consulting. Am I ampo?
And it's I don't know my baby to say check. What you know?
Obewie na fe akwa manso.
Na bi na nyame so yes. Asem na slow ba.
Akwalesa.
My God.
Pon ho kin.
Adwene odi be fa nyansa no. Odi be fa adwene ya ma ohunu nyansa no.
Eko. We want man sex drive no or low libido. Not because of say the whole nya man sorry if you adwene mu.
Adwene na awu.
Yes. Enti o man say oba no ma te ho. Ade mo no ya nkan te be ma. At the same portion na adwene na no. What the depression so see.
Enti words be kasa eni yo
ade se be ma sexual level so no kese antasema oba ka te ma. I want sex ho. One. Wo be ma be like 2 we na sabi man o 95% of sex men will go under depression.
Say who to me a be ma.
Yes. Be na or the sex organ.
Na e twan mpoa.
Yes. Be like 2 we na o
be de Pedro yo.
Be ma on da
2 minutes now.
Akele ni panzo.
Ofi se wa kan keke.
O wie no. Depression. I say 95% of such men will go through depression.
Omunya depression.
Depression so asa portion that control body na man dwene man hu nyansa after that off.
I shut it down.
At the same time no sex drive no so zero. And any man under depression no onya erection opa. What I say, the body will not even respond to touch. Say oba so muntu onya no want and now one man na dua ko and there's zero. Because of sadia or baby catchment.
A woman should be very mindful of words.
Oma say, "Oh, here is the bear hormona." Ana obia ba no man o kan kono do any way. Most of them no has to do with the
bear. Yes. You need to reconscientize the person.
Obana kasa so to ama ne ya akulu sunsun. Anytime o yes o no man be share bia no akasa de no. So akasa de na afi na who are as bear man reaction in man will be bibia na confirm. Na think towards our obano mpono na say the one ma say one na yire e wo ha
o eso mo koda na otumi
ko ba from one
o ko ba from one na peja because of a certain attitude or words, cheeky words.
That portion of the brain no e keep memory. And this Omanhene Yaw no e be o tim na ka me pa me ahono fa hu ne bia na makai sa
to hu na te say ne meti o
sabema na oba ko sia na o Philippa sent o ti oba no ho no e bia e spirit no ti ya anytime obeto sa sent no oba ti bia no
akai oba no
sa section no akai sa oba no really capture sa ade no
e nti bema bia oni oba bi na mkrofo kra fi say
nyem
na we dey say girl we there on anim adwene no a register oba no
e wo hospital
any send your die atinka onya ya nti obi aka bibia wonte adwene so na control ni padua no
and I won't put in a card, yeah, man, I know. To say, or who be another, I do not pick it on the castle or shallow.
Now, I dare to try who they quay,
and another quay. Was on the show about the move. Or power no Viagra near a dribble, we are said if about beer. In fact,
just I didn't know.
You're starting
every setting.
And to go from my home, my near dress him. So, I don't have near do that when woman do back crab, my mind on the university. You say only Paracasa.
My God,
too full. One of the dangers I was having because I don't know the more depression costs for all junior.
I also see a contentious woman, every day or no contoka or this anime to chicken, especially what you must say.
Very good. And not that the only day no most of one man frina or Bemano also back to necessary now as a who
I was coming in a crowd to go we are not attending Sacra Bonepran.
And that's one me and yes I don't know most of one more the more frina CNS no I shall know how one man answer was also
they won't make memo
or my dangerous. But sexual part not dear.
I know they need so baby adi.
No venture. Me market toi. We you be my 2 minutes my. Na obi
crowd to me gas obi crowd out of a buffo. New crew na any wo yo. A buffo ba ga jam say na wo be utimi wo ba. Utimi wo ba.
Wouldn't say wo ba.
Me wa so DNA mukoye na afi approve say ni ba wo. But that time I koye na afi papa no so on hwa akwala ni bio.
Na so dey be for mine.
So I got chance na utimi wo ba ta say. Jesus.
Until some member you come susum kura.
Hey.
On here, obedient depression, stress, anxiety, sad, dream, real words, animals of a one just stroker, not sad. And that bapper, and our soccer was not be my better sorry. And so we should yakasade into your home. Na akomanten bia ma from na adwene nya free hormones control na normal hormones a be ma circulation akoye bibia with production bibia dance be ma epinephrine aba na ntina koyede moja ntimi nko from ntimi nko afia si stroke aba ono ho so na no ache go no ma na body ba bia adwuma na nim kwa na achia and another central nervous system
next week yemi ahomantu
yes
next week Dr. Ba Benada ebe bia ahomantu na Mobusa no kose na experience be our own so and who go through Saturday we are immediately after ne friend number no ne ko hu no
yes
na onne wonni nkomo anya sa obi won ma ye ne se ne be ma kra wu but enwu
e kan be ne mama dro e kasa no we sa fie na finiti no ano no
na oba no so manya ne kasa kire so na we ka che be ma se utumi e be ma why you kitwa we na o de be prepare me hey
opu nipa no susum kra adwene no
man be just say
kasa che won hwe yi
tetima na wo pa kofa
yes che e bi wo honom hanti de make say how bi asa won ma wan hwe yi adache no na ka fa bi ka say da bro akwala bon ti kwa da ni na
akwala mu twom twede
yes na ti ko hono ye ni no so number we ya pam and has it yeah no this week na every year
all right doctor
how be your how no for nature I'm scientific na ya hwema adwene no you video no betima go through and so hormones moja bibia e ma no na e gymnast scan ya de bia so no na ya huna free to ase dem na de bia ba no so na mi adoma draw honum abetina ma na de to ase kuma se ande wo atwoma tachiman father so hwema so for the so no ma so for like cast bi wo tara so in fio no be like cast bi wo no wa kan so na when you team odome Obasanjo Jones was called Amin Scientific number 0277 00 123
1234
0277 00 1234 Mama muchi radio no tell born 0277 00 1234 wa brochire wo haba bi na ba so so ne WhatsApp asa so your number frɛ na wala bi na episode wo de brand so na after 0241 36
73
49
0241 36 73 49 Allow Sharfi, Yami, and Yaris for Dr. Yami Shraupa. Yeah, told you my dear, no, so about Goche up per month, 8:30. Small scale mining activities in Ghana dated back 2000. Yes. na aban since 1985 a formulated policy said the bay on regulate small scale mining. Small scale mining is legal, but there are a lot of small scale miners are illegal mining. Ya to din galam say abaya bako yen to 2 years said the bay ombetimi as say Ghana now ranks second to South Africa when it comes to gold production. Then so unfortunately about gold reserves Ghana is ranked 74th. It tells you say as at 2024 January now Ghana was 8.7 tons per. Nansenya na bana ye conscious effort to buy gold in Ghana to shore up our city to give us strength any other. When you koso enti ye kotoaba 2024 no amanyoku ahudo ni nyina ehye omu gold and minerals policy and opay parliamentary candidate for Jabin is an expert in minerals na anopay honorable usu echan e wo fie anamo honorable Boakye
anyhow
now pom to say
na me ado na so
person so to say Jabin
okay the kind no ebe chawo na ya chawo nua no no yedwuma ha na ya che ahwefo ne atifo enkanka ne dwabe constituency for say em se nyame adoma no pe obi ahoye say de yenso ete ahoye constituency boko dwabe constituency yekoye primaries nyame adom bibia akoso kama enkurumdie no so ba mafa efiri honom no yakola nanom honom akosere kwan ebre say betimi aba ho ebre bia ba be campaign ye wie ye na e was BC for no kwatwe na was yakobo amti yakoye sponsor moko ba akoma awom ye wie no omse ko yesa akoma mathematical set
okay
and watch no so na no Wednesday yanso na Dr. Matthew Poku Prempeh
obesram
a running mate for 2024 ono so eba besran e ma na nam so Jennifer so yenyina party for ne kroma for yenyina ya Jennifer so ma oba ne bibi oba bia ne koye boko enti yabe constituency de nyame adom bia boko
okay yemhye 2024 about one major factor in 2016 Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo by Osebo say yensuwa ene yakwaye no ne ade essay and you know OG a strong war against Galamsey so they be protecting our mining and natural resources. It was year to one more 2020 election. It is said that major mining areas I work on her constituencies the MPP lose because people did not understand why omo livelihood ebo omo no mpeso omo didie ne omo ne die we minerals expect MPP manifesto for 2024 is it something that initially what does it say na edie so na mo ya ebetimi ama yebetimi etu mining because utu muta asase no de hyase no nyame de hye wo se yentu kwan be na mo fa so a yebetu no omo ye small scale no kwan be na mo fa so am be boa wo mo na yetibenya comprehensive package a obi ye mining na obi nko ha no na ono so enha Ghana.
Okay, the kind of medase mining no you wa hodo mienu you large scale
okay
and you small scale
okay
small scale no under section 81 no actually say e was say Ghana ni enko na e was
also ye
Ghana ni nko a wanya mfie aduonu baako
and otimi ko small scale
na was say sani panon ko
is a preserve of a Ghanaian citizen.
A Ghanaian wonya Ghanaian na wontimi anya bi
and you say ya fom mra bebre
e honom no e na aban no etu susa no e Ghanaian e dia last year ni dia enam se sika sem e wo mu no so ni ntino obi a oye foreigner enso timi ebam bi fi san dia e kase mu enya nketo mu sana ne sese so no etie fast forward from aban no by there yaye efa ehon no kyerese dia na enye Ghana for na wo mu no eno na I was here kwan bia say we be see no kwan. Ye toso mienu nso no so be my ni wonsuo mu de ye twam Ghana enye ehun adwuma bio ye dredging no man ko si dunkwa last time no around 90 something everyone no na Ghana ban dredging and I say dredge mining no itwa mu a Ghana for say obe mine wonsuo mu de no
ti omo ye nyina na je say
nsuo mu de
omo bumra so
yes omo bumra so ehonom no ena saa ye kan galamse ne sa ba say enipa o ye adwuma enya mra kwan so illegal eno no eho de no eno no now the aban atenase and I manifesto e kan ne say for small scale no side no ebra utimde nya licenses no e wakakra nti opese oteso e man the bad state level
okay
vai no so ka hu bi na ma illegal ni timi koso
okay
because nipa no or
license afe mfie no onyai
ya
ono so bi akwaje bosia akoto mfidie
sana akwa na se omo na nam ho esa na di illegal na di illegal na ba
okay
license ni bu okra no ma that time no mo no omo nsa betima kakra na bi asase no kra na ni ho eti aban ni chese ye manifesto no en Dr. Mumba mi atana se ye bibia na chese ye beti so ama na ba fom
okay
e be call this level e do this level ho no mo no dia e be ma e kwan ni be titia enti no obi betima nya license e bi kra na enkran no kra no onko ho bi bibia nko ho no nko ehwe ho
e be ma nana no so anya se
e be ma nana no so nana no no now no mo say by side you be say be count mo
okay
amomo no so no enya say more now no mo say because omo ye publication publication ne ba na sa na mo bibi ka omo twere no mo de akọ commission
okay
ba say no ye be ya ma emu be ye
be decentralized ama district
omo nti no nya sa afi na ye kọ twere de akọma no e be do time say e be do nanim no na ye so onim de ohun bia e be ma say ye kọ ba tintim no e so beti
okay
eno ne ba ko de hu hia so pa ba ko so a e ka ho no ne say e man legal no do so no e ye say asat now no or before saban beba no ye ni ba bia ye di kan hwehwe ehunu say ahanom no bibi wo ho ana bibi ani ho ene de amasomo skill for no enti no mo do mo adwene ene try it is okokotu
tu ha na anye ya no akotu ha no atutu no
sanete it is when ye bibia na onkata so
oja ho
ehonom na de sade ne ba no now the ye kan ne say ye discussion ni ahwehwe ba bia enam say small scale no ye pese promote ni kese ni no ye be di ka ahwehwe ni hu sa hanom no
efficient technology
yes ye di kan aye exploration na hu sa hanom no e bi ho
and that's why small scale gold catcher no ye de hohoro
but we need there e was ye di kan hwa asase no asase na e da honom no
mo hwe na mo ye sure say gold wa ha
ansana be manipa ko na kwa na minu akro na nipa ne opem
eti nya de amu ba ma nipa na license na okotu ha no atu ha no okodo ai koko wo so gidi se
ebi ho osusu se ebi ho eti honom na je se no yedi besi ni nyina no kra enti ebedi ka hwehwe Salaski no so some de ko no ma enti a de enti a chance na ba o matima bi mines no e ne hwehwe no sikasem kompa ye hwehwe se de be ya o metimi ehunu se ebi ho anase ebi ni ho se ne yen ye hwe ne se ye benya saidman yen aban ne be sa ne nyina de amawo enti ye twa ho no de amawa ye nim se bi wonti ne de amawo se ko
tenye se wo kosasa
ni kwa se nipa na kwa try eno ne de dikan pa na aban ne pese ye se ye manifesto nti no emma brand kese ne ma
nipa kro no
emma illegal no so no enya because one no the one baby e bi won ye de ama no
e kwan o pese anya license wa amre
no on samre ho nti no emma because uhwemu a asat now no enipa ho no doso omutimi cover more than 1 million.
Yes, it's about estimated 1 million people.
Yes.
And they involve
direct too.
Direct.
Indirect no kan wa.
As almost about 4 million. About 4 million.
And no baako. The tosu biu a ye pese ye ne se. Te se the machines na omode ye adwuma se local gold catcher no. Ye di beba more.
Okay.
Ebema womo no atimi anya kwan anya access no to those machines no. Na area dams so no ebi wono mo a enam say ensuo sam ho ye omo din ntino na omo kọ
rivers na kroma no kra no mu
na omo akọkọ fe no but unya area dam na ombetime anya ensuo ni bi afiri mu a emma saa anema no emma
the area dam no say aban no be tu ama omo ana
yes sir commission no ebe yes anu ma hwe so
okay
because environmental EP for no wo ho ndo be hwe so maintain say before say ensuo no kra ne betene akọ na settle every answer na ba
okay
enye say o man ni wie na na ensuo no coast street the coast street and the cover sa pollution no eba ene turbidity na just amani na ho no sa board man na bibia ni ba ni na ho no
na pranom ne ade no e basa
different color e honom ni nyina no ene de ba ababa besia no kwan de o mu biewa yes kan ne say e sikasa madwuma entino the bank no for minerals bank no and also so ba beboa ama small scale for ni bi no so no ebetima kom ho abom aye medium scale machines no mo de adwuma na besesa ma wo omunya sketimi tonko ade a ombetima ya adwuma no asamba ko nso na won say abrofo no mo ba no Ghana fo na na edom ya adwuma no Ghana fo na na edom ya adwuma no Ghana fo no na nimde na yakosua wo school no eno a no mo de adwuma ma abrofo nya so mfa so enti say omutimi nya sika no nko ade a ombetimi de aka enipa na bo de ya adwuma ama sika na tra na to a pese ye to no enam say ye to solid money na enu timi kushim sika ne chen bibia ento hwa abrofo de ya it is a good no na secure omusika na emo economy no ntimi ensese basa ti said there first said wa unim so utimi ko japa na wo de ujani go utimi ko maame no hono ma wo ma wo aduane so to ujana
auto ujana wo de abre no
wo de ama no ni nyina no sai pepepe na ye pepe say
because it's sad say we are second to South Africa.
Yes,
but World Gold Council first 10 year count yeah 74th gold reserves 8.7 tons as of January. It doesn't speak well, but gold is so free Ghana ko because of illegality. You know, abandon to me straighten a gold, no. But I think this government my buying started top gold.
Yes.
If he say a bit me abuama a bit do maybe no yeah dollar no so mube do.
And she said, "Sir, yetimi Ade Akye 25
tons."
Aha, eko. And she said, "No, I say so besha time I started gold for oil. Anyway, no say currency no and what said there na nka first no say na eko. Won say first no na eko but en what say sa ni nyina no we no eka ho. Sa no no ho no mo a emasika ni mu yedu. Ebe ma economy na tima kodanim. Mind you say economy no so the local economy no e na ye feel you. Yeah, ti wo oman ni kuro num no local one na feel. Enti say adwuma na ekoso na sempotam ho no mo a
obi adidi a
otimu say enema no ebekọ se de yepe no. Enti ye be kire ba bia ye be hwehwe no ama omo no atimu say hanam na bi ho nto omo nko de etoso e licenses no abafom de di ho ombesa nya sika
from the Minerals Development
Bank no ama na be support omo ama omo mpese omo kom ho bom de kọ omo anim no omo no so no betimi aye ye betimi aye ama beduru ba bi no last case na e be wo mu no Ghana for na benya
take over
ye de fi say yesa do mbekọ stock Ghana Stock Exchange honum na ama manfo so tima abeto edum sika ba beshim eno so de no e wo ho ye wie no nso a se PMMC for no ebe gina blane no matimi ato ni nyina de ama aban no.
That's they are going to be the sole purchase.
Yes, our omo na be call outlet ni nyina no matimi ato e de ama na chese ama se yetimi to no once yetimi to no one line we mfa ha illegal for no mamu a meka me cho se economy no nkote se de ye kono ye hunu no eno no beboan eno no so ena Dr. Bawumia say sa small scale for nyina na e beboa ma o matima kone sei no ye beto nyina afiri om ho through PMMC the current price the almost almost Tony Biano on beton sana ama country no etima benefit say isika 70 min seki intentem yewie e ho no na yewie yawo other minerals nso so a eno nso ye equally important eno nso so ho adwuma no ebi nya den kura te se gold no ebi die ho no ma nya den te se sa because minerals ni bi ho no ma e wo soro nso ebi atomic number no ene ni muduro no ene e kire ba bi kura e settle
okay
ebi die na the numbers no so isusu ano the bi se bia lithium is having 3 I don't know my number 3 no ontimi conform to say obi a onam 10 and say 11 and say 12 eti eno no so no ye be launch sa other minerals no ama nipa ani akoho
to say lithium no me ade
to say lithium kaolin no nipa ani akoho nipa ni ko no ma eno so equally no hia no world market ye to there ye betimi so abwa ama nipa do na nya adwuma enti fa ne say gold no my 1 million ni akobiti bia kaolin na so my bia another 1 na bia your first farm nso so ho no ma eno so ye be my na nso so e my another 1 enipa do sen e ne benya adwuma direct enipa do sen na indirect no so betimi ahwe omabusuafo ebema economy na ye ka no local one no ebe ye de ye betete say GDP ni wa hwam ne ade de yinya ye local one ko ye ma ye ehonom no ye nhwe ho ni nyina no so na ebekọ kwansen kronum ama oman ni nyina no atimi anya de ye hwehwe enti saa ekwan we so na small scale for no omba benya sanfa so na free MPP aban a nyame yadoma 2025 ye beba no saa kwan we so no omba benya saa emwa ni nyina free na yenya ne saa ni wi a yetimi di aboa ama yekuru no so atimi develop eno achi no so no enipa na ebe adwuma no omo na ese beti tax no enti ese tax net ni so no se hodom no nko anya create job na ma enipa bebre na nya bia se dodo na beti tax eno so de be ye yesuku ya kwan emu ni ade nyina enti sei na yepese yakono ewo the small scale side no ebema de yehwehwe nyina no yensa timi aka ebema eniji ebewo kru no mu no ayekese ebema ahoto no ensoso ebiaba ebema enipa dodo no soso benya adwuma ye ebema enipa no dodo no soso omo soso omo hwe omo abusuafo no enso anya bi etimi edi akọ ebema dwadifo nketwa no so omo kru ne saa empatem one so onzo betimi enyo omade ton
de ama don't gold refinery so
yes
Royal Gold
refinery na yalanche no se to free omo honom no from PMMC na ye be ko honom no nya refine no e de aye de pese de ye ewo
Ghana
Bank of Ghana
okay
say de be go say de be say bia because e be on better amount in grams and I say in bliss na they are called into be on better into grams and pounds na they are called to the ounces no for the international standard
okay
to the bars no na international standard so the be ya what they call the standard no okay. The purity level anyway mu nyina no ebetimenya because ebi mu purity no so chain bi ebi 94 ebi 93 92 karat so ebi so edifa 24 no na eso 21 22 18 mun sa na yatima certified to the standard na
international
so the be ya Ghana no yepese de kwa enkwati se obi a we no emfa na se we no emfa nti on the small scale side no these are the highlights ye betimi dia tudwa ye de ba beboa ama ye nuanom na omuwo mu no atimi aye adwuma no no maye ni ye no mo so nyamfa so na omo hwehwe no afrim
ye hwe so would community mining be stopped with the moye because mass community mining asia ama de name potemu mranti anentokwa ne asoja for betata om no akofom enum beto agu ana
ye ntungu say un say ye hwehwe ye be hwehwe ti say ban say bia dem ha ela joika sobi fo ni amo musika amo ye exploration wo ha me ehunu say ebi a nifa so ebi wɔ ha ye bunkum so ebi ni ana mfimfin hanom ne bi wɔ enti no se ye de sa na omo mpɛ so omo ya ankrankra no ye te say small scale miners no small scale mining no ono no ebeti ma je ne concession community mining no so no ye benya bi wɔ hɔ no ma so e de ama
okay
de pese esi ano kwan ne se obi amfa na adwene nsusu se fi se ebi wɔ
ha no akwa akotunu asɛ asase no
eti se ye ne sa ne wi a ɛhɔ no mu no ebisi sa de na no kwan ya the minerals income investment fund nso so aba MIF omo nso so na royalties a e wo Ghana nyina na omo na gige
okay
ɛhɔ no mu no first no anase President Kufuor MI say omo de $30 million and na eshim ama small scale for no so tima pija yetna ase hwe no Dr. Mumia say yemfa 50 million from 2025
okay
in this first and say nipa 10 and a bit many so mfa so a ya double ama nipa no betimi enya so mfa so ama yetimi enya the correct aspect ne say betimi to good no dia ba ama mfa so wo so ne nsaka na adwuma no nso so no etimi aba ama o man mu ntimamufo no so no etimi enya o mo de enti yes ane man nyina wia ubehun say community mining and small scale mining no ebegina brand ebewo kwan no so
okay
said there e was say kono na mfa so na ewo mu no aba eno na ebegina so ama ebinum ebehun say yenso anya hoden a yebetimi dia according to the last scale no etini yenso move bi emfa nko honom honom no ena beboa ama omo so na tima pagya bi e de aba ye pagya bi di ba omo anso so na benya esonfa so no eni kuruma no so no ebenya sonfa so no minerals no create a lot of jobs as all the aspects in nyina create a lot of jobs
okay
and no honom no to say other sectors na ipese hwe no to say minerals is bia kale meka first power meka other ones no ni nyina no so bitima create the same jobs no for other people na honom no and this amfaso de no ebeba
abo commit and so na abo nonkron ye be free ha no mo nonkron pa ho meter duanan mame enya okwan na de ensem na abeka kire Ghana for minerals policy omo ye Ghana say omo ye to small scale mining de asem na de jawo mo
okay and as dem de jawo mo no and say your policy nimbio no ye hunu say VAT assign equal exploration ni mu a esi preventing the be bre say omunya kwan entimi nye nhwehwemu no se nhwehwemu na ankoso a enna ma adwuma no kofom enti now companies ni bi ho no mu a enam say your VAT no say eda te say okọ analysis wa lab no ye say je ne VAT ni tina ma nipa ni bi no epese omodo omonne magu ho omonye nyame adom na say MPP Dr. Bawumia edi edimu yenya VAT ni be ye free ho
okay
for exploration for the VAT na free because size ka no ebetimi asa akoso amoma yenhwemu no mo
okay
ama minerals na tima akoso enti hono no so no ebebo ama Ghana for because sikasem wo mpa se ba se we exploration just about 3-4 years you are talking about company bi na adwuma mo about 3 years almost spend $11.5 million for exploration. I feel no matter define only 500,000 ounces. Enti eyesi kasam ene wo honum. Ti nyame adom na se MPP no eba de ye hwe ne se ye be yes anema no bi na ye yi VAT no afri ho. Na ebema Ghana for no bi nso so no etimanya ni da so enya ho keka edom sika kwakọ wuram
okay
ni etima ye no mo de me be jama for ne se MPP no ewo enipa edema the minerals the nipa na omo minerals adwumanimu no enti de ye hwehwe tisi ane se de yen ye wo no ene ye ka kire omo no de omo nso so no mbetima busa na mbetima busa me akire omo akire omo de oho bi o nso ne se ombenya gidie ewo ye manifesto num and Dr. Bawumia ne MPP party nim said yaka no eno an nyame adoma eduro nso so a ye beye no na ebema adwuma na timi akonanim na ma ahoto nso so etima ba ye mpotamu na tima ma ahoto nso so no aba oman nim na nyame adoma de yaka no nyina no nso so no ye de beye adwuma.
The name is also a charm PC for Jabbing. Na December Obako China say MPP Jabbing for Trovamano is a mining expert. Just say why you Jumache. Also a charm. Yadasi. Okay. Obiani in the movement. Also a charm there. Thank you very much. Former Obuase and also didn't do for Rajmai. Nanenta who didn't be enemy Zuba and the Oba Abajo Susia. Gentlemen, you are warmly welcomed. But I'm to say, Begidis Obia, where dear. Yeah, the Oba there say, Rajmai, my probo echo say, Diane Busau. Major so. Okasa una nimiri muno na wabre waye campaigns.
Yeah, probably it's on course. Responses are encouraging.
Still on the 35. What's no cry low?
Yeah, Mr. Muntaka he understated it.
Muntaka understated Ashanti 35.
He understated it.
With what you see on the ground there.
What we are seeing on the ground.
Your worst will be 35. 35%.
I don't know you're better and tanker.
Don't tell you to jump on much of what I want to say.
I don't work senior.
Nah, Monsieur, yes, you hope Bibia work there.
I'm not pricing to me a Methodist.
Oh, you're Methodist. Monchiani, yes, say.
Christ in
tea.
See, I this year.
This year.
Christ in me.
Okay. Okay. About toward the Jinakasia Pa Bako, the Electoral Commission. On a referee. Then she said in Tutie, Nana Montio, the Jinasie, any Jina Wotu on a party, I Pacramania de Emma about to know, a Muda Pine my 2 year. Edena will be crano and Nintiasie, and now on Tinuasi ye crana. It's me more jitum. Akoba say. The National Democratic Congress in December to Jack concerning certain transfers. And they and now out here is here. Omaji out himself Pusiga. Omni Pabako 3,000 transfers or yeah any na say Crofrobi list. Our comedy called Gilon or their transfers. Now people are calling for the head. Say I was say Omutumi Ejai Sankrofonoma. Security agencies other than almost consequences, and people don't know the type of consequences. Omufi say M1 Obi Pesu Dibonia. Electoral Commission is the main actor for 2024 election and any elections. And no the honorable. Then we'll look at the issues, other issue that has to do with why. This question we always have: why should anybody vote for NDC and why should anybody vote for MPP? But I'm sure saying free honorable doctor DNT I was here to Obama MPP and electoral commission and some other two gentlemen. Let's start with them. I bought on Krumpe also be paying more 940. Your first 15 minutes here, there. The open social CBA.
Oh, okay, yeah, Medasi.
Over 15 minutes to deal with the two issues.
Okay, Medasi. Nia Edi Kayam person Meshasi. Meshasi for the Intel to Obama NPP. Me free education sector.
That's right.
And I'm a field and so a public health.
Okay. nti about education in public health
reasons nti a me pese ye to abama NPP.
Okay,
ni ID kan school sem Omanhene me meti hei me ohia ni ba susu me free adanse abo number 2
adanse abo number 2
e adanse asokwa me wie JHS ohia nti metena fie mienu ansa na me ko secondary school
ko JHS
yes me wie JHS
what time fie 2
years ansa na me ko secondary school me ko secondary school so Oboase Christ the King Secondary School.
Oh, Christ the King, very popular school.
Baby, I remember here MC. Me call secondary school. Christ the King Secondary School.
So we JHS what time fie say?
In fie mienu ohianti. Na sabre no na senka free secondary education na o ha. Enka me mante na fie mienu. Nyame nkwa anka manko school. We school san fie mienu me issue shan nyina me tonioma traffic mo makola. But any enam school nti. Nyame ayadom. Ma tumia ko school ko PhD ma chade usuapon mi so ba say me lecturer ka me fie me nsa na ma be professor
nti me nsa ti me from bi sia no me from
nyame ya adom a na awrade de yen kwa cheye de na me nso me ye me ho me bo me ho modern na ne o say me ya
be do na professor
but asema me ken e ko 30 years o me JHS no e ko 30 years na obi nim se daachi bi me ba be duru sam pempenso ama ibini ma hwe me crowd TV so ama ma contribute me quota ama national development ami training kwara human resource of the nation basabre na ba be si 2016 you can imagine nkwara na ko mo tesemia omo so wo ohiam eteseme na omo anya akwanya because you see ni sa akade no. It took a bold decision from a party and a leader or dachi and so adin. Nanado danko Kufuado. Or started promising free SHS in 2008. Because who say Ghana, Ade Akye Abia, I might be bread to imponing na the quality of human resource or more. The bia me come say or might be because you need 2 categories of people. Need kind a well educated citizens. Should be in the majority. The second one, a well-traveled citizens. They should be in the majority. One yes sir, when she say adi baby akromonti ase. In Ghana, you lose a lot of human capital because na education e tranketi e JHS ohianti. Na nado se momma me kwan na me meye. You will crom her. At the time, all promises are due. Now, a Minister of Education in 2012, from 2009 to 2012, Lee Okran, on joining Blessed Memory, on the Kwesi Pratt, the program. Also, on Tiasie, say, Ubi Betimia Kasa and Kwarebe secondary school free Muntia school fees. Nasenka ye possible, and Kakwame and Konoma ye, and Great Soviet Union.
Force to me, ye.
This is on tape. Video and Yamina Maker. Current aid to John former John President John Mahama, Fellows of Usukwachi. He is on tape video. Or say free as education promise. A political gimmick. It doesn't make sense. This is on video. Fifi Kweti, the now General Secretary of NDC. Or say, when you hear NDC Nanado, Baumia and NPP shouting, all free education, that is what I call all lie be lie. Fast forward, 2016, the then president, Anotia Kunyasu, on my last rally, at Accra Sports Stadium, and this is on video, on tape, or say, Ghana will not introduce free SHS on the whimsical promise of a desperate politician. Many mistakes have been committed or made by African countries, and Ghana will not go that way. Now, in 2019, you implemented a budget statement called Parliament. Okoshia NDC supporters ewo takwa. Or say, if you have 2 billion Ghana cedis, will you spend all on free SHS? To the extent that even when some parents can pay, what's one moment? The key thing is so 2 billion on funding in our Ghana Dachi. Yako 2024 election. Omanhene say free SHS no the trump card. Jenny yam fire hon share free SHS no. Enti was say yen na introduce you. Senior Ade a was we introduce you in 2015. Den and 2016 or last rally campaign or Accra Sports Stadium was say we will not introduce free SHS on the whimsical promise of a desperate politician. Ade a who claims out about 2015 then after 2016 o saka say tia. Now nim the entire senior. Omo the same thing in 2003 with national health insurance. Ebro man peniko form pass a bill in 2003. The then member of parliament for Bolle Bamboy, who is currently seeking to come back.
Why?
On a former president John Mahama.
Okay.
Almost a G walkout. This is on video. Parliamentary hazard. After 5 years, in 2008, when they realized say Ghanaians are health insurance at home, almost turn it around and almost can say, hey, almost crown the health insurance never almost ye. Na ye buy a bemamu one-time premium. Na Ghana for so mu. Ye to abama 8 years. Omo ntimi amfamba. Enti say omo say yesterday ehunu say Ghana for so free education. So just like they did in 2008 with health insurance. And yes adia yenko ka say ye kra na ye de buy na afi die enkwara omo ko secondary school na omo be wie no. Ye be mo ma tertiary no free, just like they did with health insurance. Enti one hunu the omasa started say free tertiary. Now the funny thing na ewo NDC for no mayimu America ma Ghana for ati ase awofo a utie me anye bibia wo ba ko secondary school senior na ye wo hoi even will be shop so per shop attendant crowd per SHS leaver. Mobile money shop obi bie mobile money crop per shop attendant eya am say wo ko secondary school a untimi ebia na wan to aso eye chance wan ko bi ye security service the minimum requirement is secondary education nti obi ohonom a obewie secondary school obe pass be sikanti untimi to aso direct obetimi anya adwuma aye na dachi any distance wo
yeah
now uti yenuanum NDC for ya na omoka about so almost on be free secondary education free tertiary on NPP ni bi anka so omuntimi nye ye nkasa because techerema mpro enemiti me be kasa omuntimi nye na nyame mfa saa ma in the unlikely event so mu wini na afi omokoya me koka bia ye be play me tape back just like me by me making reference enti me de ne say me say e doable. Nemum enipa na all kasa no ne bobre ene ne records eti sei wo se wuntimi mfa sika ni nyina ahwe nkwara ya fe de yetimi ama mmofra na ko secondary school awia na o man ko secondary school mbede na o makọ tertiary senior me sure me hwe wumfie a me hwe tama na metie wo former station zata na me secondary school na Sundays emze na uye program bi ansa na makoye commentary
yeah
sata na me ene anwumre nti me hwemfi na bia wo A level ana O level
A level
but one A level ka won ko secondary school ayi won ko university
no correct
nti won timi jump secondary school ye de won mo ko secondary school free wo se da bi then na fe de also tertiary now senior omo manifesto no wo hwa omo se omo be ma free academic fees. Ghana ha me person me put it on record. This is FDA kese. Ghana ha your tertiary schools ni na you two categories of students. Your regular students and your fee paying students. Regular ni your more government of Ghana edin can absorb omo tuition fee. And the fee paying for no more up to say omo de ombetua. Yemfa na say ye ho e bia ye admit medical students, doctors. Ye interview ye per
aban betima for 50
ya fa 50 na wi
but they were quiet
almost say on the side there yeni ay bemba abetua ye fees
yeah for 20 account
into woman ye fee paying
okay
into woman ye two fees into woman fees na almost on befa na say regular because regular a academic facility user fee classroom no mu be use ne labs and ne ade no eno nti and now share regular for fees are your academic facility user fee but we fee paying for fees are your fees tuition fees me person me year exercise kakra na ofu etie say na be ya yen jump onto this promise like in 2008 ye omko ka one time premium ma omuji tun mu a ye wie omo antimi anye no na me wo KNUS school fees fee schedules e wa ha me be say me ma oba ko a adansi nti academic facility user
fee okay
and only a regular for school fees na me the amount into we share bill ya ikuta mi ya 2023-2024 academic year your College of Humanities and Social Science we mu total grand total bill na
2523
into bon say academic facility user fee for one particular program which is chieftaincy and traditional leadership studies academic facility user fee is near 1,207
that's right
hospitality and tourism management academic facility user fee 469 cedis 85 pesos
that's right
but total fees here 2,705 cedis
okay
senior so into so far this bill academic facility user fee NDC manifest academic fees ajo mahama na nkasa so sa kan academic facility user fee this is the component 469 cedis Oba College of Science the next college omu fees the highest 2,500 academic facility user fee of 469 cedis Oba College of Engineering 3,500 academic facility user fee 469 College of Built Environment fees near 2,500 academic facility user fee 469 the next page two colleges College of Agric and Natural Resource that is the first page now details
and also 469
then College of Health Science
Science and also 469
me college no fa me person me fa the highest program mutua highest fees
3,826
medicine and dental surgery doctors no regular student academic facility user fee is
709.87
it is all for no say ne nya medicine regular na say government promise no so betua academic facility user fee amana ni fees near 3,800 but fee details na academic facility user fee component no 700 into 3,001 no all for no be fa no he ansa na residential aba bill na me diama no dan ye chire na your residential fee table no the last one residential fee
yes
total near 2,169 cedis
yes the wenya hall no
and on the list na the wenya halls way
so about Brunei nomne san
complex ni adia obetua say this is fresh as now fee paying for no time now the amount me me person me na me
just 2 minutes more
na nia make fee paying for no senior fee paying for no fees me keka bi kire we oyem be show enti dia he na omo promise no omo ka me clear enti o yo for na utie mi a hwe bills amaboboi se na be ya obi me daachi bi unkodi akire nkoye ne yenya wo te say health insurance ayekoka one time premium after 8 years entimi.
Thank you very much Zuba, you have the floor.
Mitchell
Mejoso
you can deal with the Odikan in your mind no ansana maba yeah we bisa you bisa say yenche di ente eto aba me no ba man ti di ente eto aba my MPP ba ko kra but metro di ente was eto aba my and this one One thing common obedi or mining sector no a lot of them are misleading. One, Ghana Geological Survey, the only time they get involved with mining activity is at the reconnaissance level. Exploration. You know what exploration? Exploration, they not just say, oh, sate, a good deal. No one more. Ghana Geological Survey, so they only play a role, you see, to mine their stages. What I say, to get to exploration, it means that you have had prior knowledge of the existence of some mineral resource, and that can be identified through reconnaissance. Unfortunately, Sahabi man, that. And some on Beba Bemuno, Ukokonongwa, Metiha, Sahad Mapi, Media Trewo TV, so I tra. Baby, I got a gold belt in has been identified. Into the people say a feina or tia bem no catch say a feina or betia junatuku. I mean, I baby, I got a good wa or nim your canon say. And here the guy. Two, make us say, as I'm the catch for I am cat or move data to us. Especially more Bema. Ghana, you go there, ye two ewa hanyana. We do not control more than 13% of the total gold resource of this country. When you two are. Me take us near the Akugu Gram, the Akujaba, the Akuez, Unimu. Uko billiona. Ewo Asia. Yang ube yawo ba uko ye billion. Nyam fa nko baby nko refine ansa na ya baba be ye say yes ye ba o. Ounces grams ni nya measurement. And depending on quantity ekutamino, me measure na che specific ounce nya afi na me koye refinery. And when you dey call refinery ansa na ma dey aba no. You don't know what you're talking about. But you see, we are more promising your more asem. Me ma figures. Ghana, from 2014 to 2023, gold a free memoir and anybody that has access to the internet can go and check on the Gate report from 2013 up until 2023, which is provided for by the Ministry of Finance of Ghana. Gold a free memoir cumulatively, the value is $44 billion. Now, out of the $44 billion, the about Ghana over the period, which is close to 10 years because it's 9-year period, is $6 billion. So, $6 billion, you know, who are divided by 9? Minjin this say, ubenya more than $870,000 per year. And what it means is that the industrial goods sector, apart from the fact that it creates some kind of employment, the prospect for the country, and set down here encouraging. You better go to I can't say what to say 1 million ounces of gold every Ghana, but Sikano, you record it because I didn't fear what I say. And every airport in the world has an assay department. And once the gold gets to the airport, the measurements will be captured in the assay department, and it will affect the country of origin. But Sikano Embaha.
Okay.
Into the second largest producer of gold.
Yet. But
its wealth is going to America, it's going to the United Kingdom, it's going to South Africa.
Dubai and others.
And other places. In 2023, you have 6 billion in 2023.
That's our time now, the year gold, yo.
My education, we never for tea. I say I like it.
Okay.
We made 6 billion. Ghana got a little over 900,000 in 2023. In 2022, in the small scale mining sector, we made 1.2 billion. So what it means is that, see, you stereotype in a small scale mining sector, no, it's off and the fewer. The potential is there. And that is what they have identified, and they want to address it and take advantage. But they got it wrong. That's why they get it wrong. Mining is hazardous activity. Say industrial, say a small scale ebia say asase ebia say so yaw me ka nine say opa monfa camera monko bo ase sanso mo man kra no fa monfa sanso ese ye ho na yen ko monfa sanso open pit na monko ya first excavator ni 2 year the whole of the Mansu area a car body a backfill I'm saying site sanso open pit in kwaka ebe broso. And this is a major mining company. Again, Sansu, river sources 1, 2, 3, 19. They are extinct in Obio. Obio or Sansu Biano. In him say a 2 coin, Anglo will be in so Edema Omo. Satam ne AGC, Openi Bruno Abeso. So what sounds no boots are mechanized, but when Anglo I am on the chair. Udisiona de chair yellow particles kabi abedebo bo na it is the more science or movement is amoeba or the yellow one na ababa de dem interchange mining there say ade ufa de ewu so a eso pompo ekotwem ewo pompo so kopiem kokwa ayerere ma. And so no said in Yamibono. I say, in the upon repeated government pressure, I'm good the excavator in the 2 gutters the 5 years. And that was after teacher Buni, Openia Henkwa, had instituted legal actions against the company. And son of Omutusa, the guy is showing me the mind as I the excavator and 2 gutters so the name. In the mining there, essay large scale, small scale. It is a buying say or person taking advantage of the potential of mining near the creative ejuma. The first thing we must do Ghana for the more cassetia small school galam saying like in so and yen sasia as a enyasa. Says I kept could say Omunzu and one as a my heading in the Ghana Water Company Beshati Omodam. I'm hearing the same thing in Obase. And I've been chief executive of Obase. I have a fair idea of the situation. Yeah, buy water. It was a rolling personal. Now, my 1,280 gallons per day. While Abraham, me chief executive of Boasino, we have 430 gallons a day, which means that we have lost over 800 gallons a day. 800,000 gallons a day. A car near Bo assigned here 430. Na yen sakano. And ye 4 times as much as the near the
1,000 over.
Now, how to say so or that, and my in so or boise. And Odano or suffer a lot of harm right from a free if started to be quite important. Na very man, I go for my so I could pay Jacobu. By the time I back would do the other treatment site no na hama a woman Ghana Water Company for no. I am afraid if it goes on for the next 2 years, I'm not sure we'll be able to get water for the people of Obuasi. Who can in the boma? So buying because of a much small scale mining sector no. Aye ejuma, what you must do is that yemra no ye on Act 703 no say Act 703 my ejuma ku miensa. I was a mining so. Water Resources Commission, Environmental Protection Agency, and Minerals Commission. And I've said this one time without number that when I was chief executive of Boakye, the officer for Minerals Commission, who is taking care of about 11 districts, was not in Ashanti region but was in Dunkwao. And he was overseen up to Jacobu. Manson Kwanta, Bekwai, Sakwa, and only Papa, where you 5 days. How is it going to do it? In the ham be about so President Mahama is promising to decentralize these agencies to 110 mining districts of the Republic of Ghana.
So we're going to have Minerals
the Ghana Gold Board,
APA.
The Ghana Gold Board is at the epoch.
Okay.
The Ghana Gold Board is the Minerals and Investment Agency. It's only a Minerals Investment and Marketing Agency. But the Omo here sika any person waton. It is the Ghana Gold Board nearby regulated. They said the cocoa board, a year with the cocoa sector. Now, with the Ghana Gold Board, we are going to have district mining offices. Now, it comes with direct employment, 10 people. Decentralized. That's okay. That's okay. I have.
That is where he wants to go. Let me allow.
Let me handle my time.
All right.
When I give education and I get 2 people convinced, well, it's better for me than to do.
Go ahead.
The Minerals Commission, which is going to be under the Gold Board, will also be in all the 110 district mining offices. Again, over there, we are going to employ 10 people. Beyond that, you have the Water Resources Commission. Also in the 110 districts, also 10 people. And then you have the Environmental Protection Agency, all in the 110 mining district. Over there, 10 people. So at the start of the program, 40 people in the district get employment. And these are well-paying jobs. Will be a more EPA, no be a more Water Resources Commission, no be a more Minerals Commission. Can I get the trewa? What it means is that I catch it for more those districts that mining was on, especially those who have knowledge in mining programs. Or meet my inspector depletion, or my hydraulical engineering, or Ghana how much MTN. Now, a new man of Marco Sian would you man and Catetebreno, when you or VRE, when you Ghana Water Company, I wouldn't be Anfancono. Mama is bringing hope to you. So, what we are bringing, it's a comprehensive. It does not even affect those who are only in the district. It's a gamut of sound solutions. Yeah, the Bandesa area, what we are saying is that, yeah, the technology at the vast small scale mining sector, so that or hazard now will get a mass as they say, we will reduce it. And yeah, I'll show you, correspondent. I'm a major player in the mining programs of President Mama, and I'll show you companies that we are engaging. I'll show you in discussions.
3 minutes more.
Oh, David, tell me your time. Even when I said it's 7:15,
don't worry.
I'm looking at this.
Mama, 3 minutes until we are 4 minutes. Until I'm 3 minutes. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. 1 minute.
That's okay.
Don't worry.
That's okay. And the technology, Baba. You have filters. Okay. You regulating more licensing on concrete. Minerals Commission on district or into district 1 and our your license. Equipment I would buy every equipment that goes to mining site. EP was inspected. It was site 1 and EP be inspected. Now we are mining on an area. More trenches na bet someone again. The Water Resources Commission will be there. It won't so na echo baby a year kwako titi and sana ko esubontimu. Water Resources Commission ebe ne chemical composition a womb hazards a womb and then advise appropriately to encofona engineers na your local engineers are buying the mobile site on say I say NTC in a womb. What I say chlorine say in a womb when says the womb. This is how we have to treat it. Mutu trivia. Na so ne anything said the mining site industrial mines no mo na afeni ye ba bijano no akọ esbontim. It is 6 months after President Mama implemented this program. Unam Ghana hu nfu bi anya Abraham obi anso nchesi mine bia. This is hope and it's creating employment. We are gold ni wia no atoma precious minerals marketing company. Now in every enclave we will have an asset department and they check the purity of the gold before the PMMC will buy it. Now here this talk about Ghana gold, Abayato, Mato, Quantum, Mato say the gold for oil, how much have you sold? And I'll tell you on authority that since we started the program, we have not brought oil equivalent to more than 750,000 metric tons of crude since the program started. If they have, they should show data. But you know, Ghana every month we consume 350,000 metric tons. So what it means is that the gold for oil program is a scam.
All right.
What I said?
Happy birthday to Chief Inspector Ransford Sasra Kute, Station Officer Swami District, Police Command, Yabo Mama Trinkwa, Madam Josephine of Jabin Primary School, Asumadu Dakwa Swama Trinkwa, Charlotte Nima, and then so Ewa Wota, Osofo Reko, Eyre, Nihokani, Anna Amos, Osei Homeda. CEO of Homeda Kente and Adinkra Palace. Give me a minute, a quick commercial. We come back and we continue.
21st clinic yes sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye na no na 21st clinic ba ya adwuma pa wo mu yenti abaso bo ma gine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa Womuji international awards ahodo womuji local awards ahodo na anu nso na womu be the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni baabi a gise 21st clinic nko a womu de bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a woma gidi womu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha baabi a womu ho 0540 311 311 0540 311 311. That's a 21st clinic. Woman is sciatica expert.
Here in Ghana, when it comes to chicken, the good old days are back. Why? Because Boris Beef's Chicken, BBC, is here. Yep, give your family and loved ones Boris Beef's Chicken. Fresh, tasty, delicious. Boris Beef's Chicken is produced right here in Ghana by our cherished poultry farmers with support from the Ministry of Agric. Get whole frozen chicken, gizzard, chicken feet, chicken neck, and chicken liver for those special family meals, buffets, picnics, funerals, and all restaurants. Get Boris Beef's Chicken. It's halal, so everybody can enjoy. Wherever you are, call Boris Beef's Farms hotline 05-444-444-53. Ask for our branch that is closest to you and come get your chicken. Boris Beef's Chicken, BBC, proudly a Fiakoko.
Blast. Exclusively on Betway. Win up to 300% more when you play Fly X with Win Boost from Betway. Betway, get way more.
Welcome back to the studios. Mema Ubia 3 minutes, don't wrap up. Mami Shasen free honomo. Doctor.
Me da say bibi kakra me kan ECD no. Abato eye ade a ema o magina. Eno anso timi de ohyew ne enema bibiri ba o mani. Inti afutu a o se yede ma ene se omo ko into 2024 no. Yemi se omo wo casual staff omo select omo bibiri for the election. Omo nye background checks. They should collaborate with the police. Because see, they go there with their political party affiliation agenda and they call it a human.
Okay.
At the end of the day, who now think I will see blame. Okay, say 2020 election, about say omochi omanom titi person ni bia.
Yeah.
Otia na do da first nti otia no atie free. One and then no corner President Mahama Bedard one. No mochi no. There are instances like omo press conference dey me menti ba pedi o kan say or say
Pusiga
3,000 transfers.
By winning election, parliamentary candidate straight.
Yes, by now, say, and yes, I will also be can. Some who you know, or say whatever decision was taken about now on my hand and my police.
Yeah.
Now police, I own investigation. Now watch on him. But what is until I be catch the into the because 3,000 there are not ordinary.
Hey.
Having said this. Eya yenso amanyofo ayeye amanyoku no yenhwe the way you see bastardize your institutions because yemfasa enchechere o man say you're running down institutions na ebeduru baabi no yenya obi institution ya manen work well because also institutions no eye adwuma yenhia strong men no yenhia institutions but say ye bibi na asamanyoku ye dia no see easy omuro no critical but ade ba akwa o se hwe ne say okay say and me funny enough both me party ni NDC so mo wa ban mu a they side with EC and this one me person me hear politics with it very sad. See ya in 2016 before 2016 some commentaries are not enye about EC from my party. Now you win all of a sudden EC ye bibi a me want personal reservations. Ma bon se bon party functionaries who defend it. Ma about 1 year 2 year na ye declare o. Enti se ne o manya ye nyina o se ye ka.
I will say nyina ye ka. Zuba.
Yeah, at 650 of 2003, President Gufo or the district health insurance, mutual health insurance, why I'm fine, national health insurance. Prior to that, now I started national health insurance piloting or baby in 1997, 1998. Dr. Kwame Gufo, then spokesperson for minority. Anybody can Google on the Ghana web, had spoken against national health insurance, saying it was not possible. The real national health insurance was established by Act 852, which was brought into being by John Mahama. Now on Electoral Commission. Yeah, you will NDC affiani. The BPNY transfer and identify anomalies, especially in this region. On the Omuye Jumana, Omu reporting, my document book all political parties.
Okay.
New to be as in excess of over 1,000 people were transferred.
To where?
To New to be as
From where?
From various constituencies. A beefy could upon Koma constituency.
Of once I
a beefy Bekwai.
Ombedo.
Omuno Mabea. 1,000 of them were transferred illegally. Obwase West. Over 200 illegally. Well, at 2 force in constituency there, Ubefe. At 2 force to constituency, Ubefe. You do too many years. You better can be for so too. What did the vision that? 80, the ever catch electoral commission is the stakes are high in this election. MPP ni NDC ya de bako. Akwa first one, you be your mind on Argentina. Edifa. You see, campaigning is a lot of money. Yeah. See, I can say, in going around, me original chairman, over 500,000 seedlings, palm seedlings.
Amudia.
Yeah, check. Constituency, we have 20,000 palm seedlings. How much? So, Baku require 20 CDs, a seedling, Baku require 20 CDs.
Multiply by 20.
Now, you have over 520, almost 600,000. Currently, I'm over 520,000. Calculate it and see palm seedlings, how much we are even spending in trying to support small farmers. And then fuel. Your team, every day, we spend close to 20,000 cedis on every day.
What of fuel?
Fuel. I know that I remember in time, you know, time me toy and do 2 square. Time, you know, I buy a fat, which I almost a marriage before that be a fast, you know, and time I could be 2004. I have to get it this morning. It's very expensive to run a company.
So after going through all this,
somebody goes through all of this.
Now
we say thank you to Abim. Now they only need baby. What I say? I say you to about my MPP winning Ghana boy. You to about my NDC winning Ghana boy. But as I was about Boka, that's all I was saying. I got Takao Jim at that time. I quit Udi and Beba. It's a song. Omoma and Omamu and the Oma party. Nina.
Tiawa. When the American says, senior transfer and say, you honoma. Yana in Shedanya del Brito. Was me minianum beer or more 2 cotton and crime.
No, but mass transfer. The mass transfer, the moment you do that, everybody gets
but
on safe and say, yeah, wahanumi. Now be baswami. Ya swa nipa be 500. Now the Akogu area margin between the parliamentary candidates is slim. It raises concern. I know the other will be any baba.
See, to transfer ne bia masubi. Ebi moroso.
I was saying ebi
moroso.
Ebi omo tisubi, omo tisubi.
omo bi ko
abusuafo ɛni mu sia fancy to adwuma die ni so.
My name is Kwesi Ante.